Hello friends and welcome back to the tutorial of Python for the beginners. In our last video we have learned how to import the modules in different ways in your Python, and also we have learned how to import the functions from that module with some different names. Similarly, we are going to learn about the modules today, but what we are going to learn is how to create the modules, or we can say to create your own module. So let's just start with it. Just open the Python shell, create a new file. Now in here we will start writing a code. Like in one of our video we have learned how to create a function, and that function was of the addition of two numbers. So for that I will just copy that function so that I can directly continue with that. So just copy this, paste it here. So now I'm having my program for the addition of two numbers. Similarly, I can create some different functions also. So what I'm going to do is just changing this for addition, multiplication, division, and one more function I want to create is for the power. And do one thing, just change the names from here. And in power we also require two arguments, because the first argument will be for your value whose power you want to calculate, and the second argument will be your the power, that what will be the power, the square, cube, to the power 4, to the power 6, or something like that. So here also I want to put some by default values. Let's put it 4 colon print here a multiply b, because we know that double multiply is for the power. Now you have different functions inside your file. What we are going to do is we want these functions to be called as a module. So how to do that? Let me tell you. So just save this program, save it in on desktop, save it with some name, like I'm saving it with mod, short form for module dot py, and now save the program. And now I have saved this program, so I can run it, but when I will run it, it will not generate any values. Let me show you how. So just run it and see, it will not give you any result, but it will give you result when I will call the functions add, multiply, like that. But this is not something new that we are going to learn, and this is not about the modules, this is all about the functions, but I want to call them as a module. So let me show you how to do that. For that, firstly we have to go to the path. Like I'm having my module which is mod, and it is on desktop, so I must be inside this directory so that I can import my module from this path with the command import. So for that, just type import os and enter. And from here, what I have to do is I have to check where I am right now. So for that, I have the command get cwd and press enter. So it will show you the path. Like I am right now on desktop, but sometime what happens is I am not at this position, but in that case I have to change the path. So how to change your path to the path where your module is being saved. So just type os dot chdir, which is for the changing of the directory. So here what you have to specify, change the current working directory to specify path. So within quotations just type the path like this, slash user slash sd slash desktop. So now I am on desktop, so just press enter. Oh, so I got one error here. What the problem is, I have to put the backslash here, not the forward slash. So just type os.chdr within brackets c colon slash user slash and press enter. So it will just change the path where you are working right now or where you want to work. But in my case, the path will be the same because it is already showing me that I am on desktop. So in this case, it will be the same, but in your case, just put the rest of the address or some other address where you have saved the module that we created just now. So now what we have to do is just type import mod because the name of our module is mod, and just press enter. So it will just import the mod, means the module that you created on your own. So now we can see what are the functions that are available inside. For that just type mod dot, and here you can see add, divide, multiply, power, subtract, like this. So we are having these functions that are inside our mod, means that are inside a module that we created. So for that just call it like this, you will get the same result that you got here, 28. Press enter. See, you're getting the same result. Similarly, we can import it in other way also, from mod import star. Press enter. So your module is being imported. Now you can directly call the functions that are inside your module and press enter. You will get the same result. So now we have seen how we created functions and combined them inside a file, and that file is a module which we can call according to a requirement in a program. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do enjoy this video, so please click on the like button, and if you have any queries regarding the topic, then please leave a comment below so that I can resolve your problem as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my videos. And thanks for watching this video.